PC Chapter 2 Not for Profit Organization Sum number 6. From the following receipts and payments account of Tenkasi Thiruvalluvar Mandram, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Here receipts, here payments. First, we can prepare income and expenditure account. First, only revenue receipts and revenue payments only entered in the income and expenditure account. Second one, non-cash items are included. Non-cash item means first one, depreciation, outstanding expenses, accrued income. That also here entered in income and expenditure account. Here first two balance brought down cash in hand. Interest received is a income, is a revenue received. So we entered in income and expenditure account. Subscription also revenue received. Legacy is a gift for not profit for organization. It is a capital receipts entered in balance sheet liability side. Entrance fees revenue received. Then sale of furniture 16,000 given, but here book value 17,000. So 17,000 book value, but we can sell only 16,000. How much loss? 1,000. So we entered in expenditure side 1,000 rupees. Loss on sale of expenditure. Loss on sale of furniture. Then salary expense, rent, traveling expenses, printing and stationery. Now these are fully expenses entered in expenditure side. Here by investments made. Investments means asset. So that is only entered in balance sheet. Then sports equipment purchased. That also entered in balance sheet because sports equipment is a asset for the company. Then cash in hand. Now we can prepare the sum. To salaries. Salary is also one of the revenue expenditure. To salaries 20,000. Then to rent. Rent also a revenue expenditure 24,000. To traveling expenses. Traveling expenses is also one of the expenditure. Revenue expenditure. To printing and stationery. Printing and stationery also one of the revenue expenditure. 6,000. Then income side by interest received. Interest received is a revenue income. So we entered in income side 5,000. By subscription. Subscription also a revenue received 55,000. By entrance fees 7,000. Here to sale of furniture. To loss on sale of furniture. Loss on sale of furniture. 17,000 book value. Sale of furniture 16,000. So we can put 1,000 rupees. Now we can balance it. So here 67,000. We have to take it 67,000. Here we can find out the differences. 0, 0, 0, 4, then 1. Well, how to write it here? That is to excess income over expenditure. That is we call it as surplus. What is it? Surplus. In the final account, profit and loss account, we can say net profit. Profit means net profit. Here excess. So we can call it as surplus. from the following receipts and payments account, prepare income and expenditure account of Kumbakonam Basketball Association for the year ended 31st March 2018. Here receipts payments also given. First we can see the payment side. Rent of ground paid, printing charges, bank charges, insurance for building, tournament expenses, audit fees. This also fully expenditure, revenue expenditure. Here sports material purchased, that also revenue expenditure. Then cash in hand, cash at hand. Here receipt side, cash in hand, cash at bank. Rent of hall received. Here rent of ground paid. So that is a payment. Is a expense. By here to rent of hall received 6,000. To subscription received. That also revenue in revenue receipt. Live membership fee. That is a capital receipt entered in balance sheet liability side. To locker rent received. Locker rent receipt is a revenue receipt in income side. In the books of Kumbakonam Basketball Association, income and expenditure account for the year entered 31st March 2018, expenditure side, income side. Here, to rent of ground paid. Here, by rent of call received. Received income but paid expenditure. To printing charges, 5,000. Bank charges, 1,000. To insurance for buildings, 2,000. Audit fees, 3,000. Tournament expenses, 16,000. Sports material purchased, 4,000. Here, subscription is a revenue receipt, 9,000. Locker rent received, 2,000. Totally we can add it. Here, this side only more total. So, 43,000. Here, 43,000. We can find out the answer, 26,000. That is, we call it as deficit, balancing figure. Deficit means what? In the income and expenditure, excess means excess income over expenditure means surplus. But here expenditure over income. So we call it as deficit, 26,000. Sum number 7 finished. You have to do the assignment work for you. 6 and 7 also you can do it in the assignment note. Now we can see 12th sum. From the following particulars, show how the item subscription will appear in the income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st/12/2018. Subscription received in 2018 is rupees 50,000, which includes 5,000 for 17, that means previous year, including for 50,000, that one. Then 7,000 for 2019. 2019 means next year. Current year 2018, 17 previous year, 19 next year, subsequent year, that means. Subscription outstanding for the year 2018 is 6,000. Subscription of 4,000 was received in advance for 2018 in the year 2017. By subscription received during the year 50,000. Next year includes rupees 5,000 for 5,000 for subscription, 5,000 for 2017. Here 2018 is a current year. Now here less subscription received for 2017, year 2017. So 45,000. Next, 7,000 for 2019. 7,000 for 2019 advance received. That also we can minus. 38,000. Next, subscription for 2018. That means subscription outstanding for 2018. That also included. Here 6,000. 44,000. The next one, received in advance. Subscription received in advance. For 2000, 4,000. So here 48,000. Now we start sum number 13. How the following items appear in the final accounts of Thuthukudi Young Pioneers Association. There are 100 members in the association, each paying rupees 25 as annual subscription. Appa how much subscription? 25 into 100. 100 members, rupees each member for 25. 100 into 25, 2,500 for this month's this year's subscription. By the end of the year, 10 members had not paid their subscription, but 4 members can pay the for the next year in advance. Now we can prepare income and expenditure account. How the items are appear in the income and expenditure account and balance sheet. First we can write it. We can do it in the income and expenditure by subscription. How many members? 100 members into each member how much pay? 25. So 2,500. 2,500. By the end of the year, 10 members have not paid their subscription. How many members not pay the subscription? 10 members. That is outstanding for the subscription. Here where we can write in the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, subscription outstanding. Subscription outstanding. How much amount? 10 members. 25 rupees each. So 250. 250 in the asset side. In the liability side, what will return? Here, but 4 members had paid for the next year in advance. 4 members paid in advance. Paid in advance. So we have to write in the liability side, subscription received in advance. 4 members not paid. So 4 into 25, 100. We entered in the balance sheet in the liability side. Now assignment work for you. Illustration 10, 11, 12. Work out in your assignment note. Thank you, students.